Hello, this is a video to pin up a banham 363 using the EVVA EPS system. It's going to involve cutting keys to code and then pinning up the cylinder. So let's get started. First things first, we've got to put the numbers in to cut our key. So we've got to pick our card, which is that one there. Okay, then we pop our numbers into the machine and then the machine does the cutting. Okay, now it's time to cut our keys to code using the Futura Pro. Let's start the process. So that's the cutting process now finished. As you can see, we have a perfectly cut key which is cut to factory specification. Next thing we need to do now is break down the cylinder and pin it up to this new key. Each key combination is unique and unique to the cylinder. The first things I need to do is I need to break the cylinder down using my breakdown key. And then we're going to utilise the cylinder clip for holding the pins in place so they don't all come flying out on us. At least that's the plan, but occasionally it does happen. Clip in there like so. There we go. Now you'll notice that there's a little pin in the back there. We don't want to lose that pin. That pin is what engages with this coupling here, which my finger's currently on. So it allows the cylinder key to turn. Like all the EVVA EPS cylinders, this particular one has a single sidebar, whereas the modular, which is the video I did earlier, has dual sidebars. Oh, don't want that to happen. I've got lucky, all our pins are still inside. Okay, so I've got the unique sidebar there. They don't do the S363 cylinders with the dual sidebar mechanism. They just do it with a single. So take one of our copy keys, pop that in. All these are number 1 pins because they come in pin to 1. They all need to be removed, so we've got no 1 pins in our combination. Yeah, it's flying out all over me here. Here's the last one out. There it goes. Okay, so our combination for this one. As you can see, I'll put each pin so it sits level. As you can see, locksmithing is a very skillful job, and it's all about puzzles and problem solving, and sometimes seeing things that you haven't seen before. Right, so as you can see, I'm not too happy with that second one in there. Come on. Not quite happy with one of these pins. Sometimes they just don't want to come out. Let's try a different one. Looks better. Right. So all our pins are now sitting in what we call a shear line. So that's all level with the top of the plug. Just pop our sidebar in. When you put these back together, you just need to make sure where your sidebar is, because what you don't want is for the cylinder to lock out on the sidebar. So sidebar's on this side, so we're going to turn it this way round. Try our key. You can see that it engages the cam, which is what we want, and it turns nice and freely. And the most important part is not to forget to put your clip on, which is your circlip. I think you can just about see that. And it goes into two little receptacles on either side. And I use rubber hammer. So now when we put our key in, it's now good and solid. That's a EVVA S363 banham V-cam type barrel. Done. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.